So I'm going to teach you one technique that's called Matryoshka technique. Everybody knows Matryoshka? Yeah, Matryoshka technique. Okay, Matryoshka is a cool little doll, right? It's nesting dolls. So when you feel like a little Matryoshka, there's no possibility of abundance. I want you to feel like the big Matrona right here. Sounds good?
Yes.
You want to attract amazing partner of a higher league? If you're a little Matryoshka, you can attract it. You want to attract the health and well-being, you got to do that. So what we're going to do right now, I am going to teach you. So Matryoshka technique is, look, if you are in this Matryoshka, you cannot right away get to this Matryoshka. You understand? You got to unwrap it. That is the key. And Dolly was talking about the law of attraction. Now, that is why sometimes law of attraction doesn't work. Because we sit in our little Matryoshka, and I feel so broke. And I'm sitting there and do thousands of affirmations. I'm a millionaire, I'm a millionaire, I'm a millionaire. It works? No, it doesn't. Because inside you don't have the space. Okay? So I'm going to teach you how to expand yourself. Okay? Ina, I'm going to pick on you. Ina is taking my course right now. Money with the soul. Come here, come here. We're going to walk here. Okay, so meet Ina. She's awesome. Ina came to me and she's doing well in life, but she wants to also create her own business. Right? Look at her. Que linda, que linda. Okay, give it up for Ina. Okay, so Ina, we're going to take you from point A to point B through different steps. Now, tell me please, how much is your hour? I know, oh my God, all of the prohibited topics here.
I know,
right? Okay, sorry.
Very not American.
Yeah, you can pretend, you can pretend.
Sounds good. So let's do 150.
150 is her hour. So she's worth, in her own Matryoshka doll, 150 an hour. And I'm going to say, Ina, you're such a beautiful, beautiful,
I agree.
right? Beautiful Eastern European goddess. You deserve to have $500 an hour. How about that?
Right?
Okay. But you've already done this, so pretend you were back when you started this,
All right.
So 150 to 500. Does it feel natural?
At first it doesn't.
Of course, it doesn't. So we're going to go through steps. Okay, so I'm going to give you a belief that I want you to feel in your stomach. You got to feel it in your stomach. Don't think it. Your brain, you're all smart. The worst tool ever. Don't use it, okay? Don't use it. Okay, let's go. I can tell you, you can charge more than you do now.
I agree.
Yeah, how does it feel? You can charge more than you do now. Does it feel natural? Or it's like this? Talk to me, people. My goodness. All right, thank you very much. Okay, so, and it's a little bit more expanding, right? Now, any resistance is a belief that can be changed. Yeah? Yeah? If you don't feel the same as Ina, you don't have to repeat it. You create your own steps. Next one, premium prices can change your life.
Yeah.
Yeah, how does it feel compared to I'm making $150 an hour to premium prices? It's much closer to $500 an hour. Do you see what I'm talking about? You don't have to go through all of the steps. If I give you the next step, you can feel 100% authentic and still make premium prices in your business. How does it feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. Some of you might still feel, I don't believe it. 100%. If you don't believe it, create one more step. Do you see what I'm talking about? Do you understand how to do this? You're here alone, single. You want the amazing love of your life, right?
Yes.
We're going to go through steps. We're not going to jump from feeling I am alone and all women suck, you know, from that mentality, to, oh, I'm manifesting everybody. You got it? So you got to go through steps and you expand it. And then you apply law of attraction.
Yes, you do.
And here we go. Because Dolly was already shining. She was already the big Matryoshka when I saw her. Right? She was like, yeah, I'm having the guy already when he was not even there. You got it? Thank you, Ina. Let's give it up for Ina. Thank you. Okay. So that's the solution for the first problem for you. Okay, perfect. Oh, I have so much time. All right. I want you to concentrate on this because when you go through this Matryoshka technique, it's kind of cute and everything. By the way, since I was a high school teacher, I'm not giving you handouts handouts now. Because you know what's going to happen? Everybody's going to be in their handout. And I want your eyes here. I have handouts at the end of this.
Yes.
So don't take notes. Relax, relax, okay? Don't take notes. If you want to take pictures, but I will give you everything and, you know, we can always talk more. So, anybody knows Fermina Ponce?
Yes.
Yes. Fermina Ponce was my, I don't like the word client. Student. Thank you, even though I learned so much from her. When she came to me, and this is a story that she shares publicly, so it's okay to share. She was diagnosed with bipolar depression for 12 years, and for 12 years,